This is a quick release toilet seat, and to take it off, you simply turn the knob over to the unlock position, unlock, and then you can pop it off and then remove. So the great thing about these quick release toilet seats is that they're super simple. And so you simply take your hand, hold the nut underneath the screw, screw it out. And then once the nut comes off, you can pop it out. Grab your tushy, hold it in place, and then put your screws in. And then make sure it's straight. All right. That's good, and now you're gonna grab your nuts, hold it with one hand underneath, and then screw it in. Oh, looks like that thing is turning, but it's okay, because it's still in place. Okay, and now you take your toilet seat, make sure it's on the unlock position, you press down hard until it clicks, lock it back up, and you're ready to go. And again, if you ever have any questions at all, please email install@hellotushy.com.